Not a single word was said. No final kiss to see or any scene. I had no idea of the state we were in, but I know I have a fitted heart and a bitterness, wandering night and heaviness in my head. But don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you loved me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When was the last time you thought of me? Or have you completely